Welcome back to Renovator, the channel where you'll once again find plenty of renovation inspiration. Today, we'll take a detailed look at how we approached the complete renovation of a bathroom in an old apartment. Stay until the end to see the final result. Let's get started. The bathroom layout we started with was extremely cramped, and the original design didn't include any niche or furniture run where a washing machine could be installed. Every wall was already occupied by fixtures or doors, and there was also no storage space at all. All of this made everyday use quite difficult. To enlarge the bedroom, we had to move the left wall toward the bathroom, but in return, we were able to shift the wall with the door by more than 50 centimeters. In reality, this allowed us to increase the bathroom area by almost 1 square meter. The previous bathroom felt a bit like an overstuffed suitcase. The extra 54 centimeters was like unzipping it. We gained space for a shower, a washing machine, a wide vanity unit with spacious drawers, and we installed a ladder-style radiator. The larger circulation area significantly improved the comfort of everyday use. Take a look at how this transformation came together. You've already seen the step-by-step transformation. Now it's time for the final result. After the renovation, the bathroom is larger and much more practical. We completely changed its look, choosing modern and durable materials and a color palette that matches the rest of the apartment. Let us know in the comments what you think about this transformation and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you next time.